How's it going, mate? Aaron the electrician here, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits of having a heated towel rail in your bathroom. Not only do they look great, but there's nothing better than getting out of a shower on a winter's morning and wrapping yourself in a warm, dry towel. This is an affordable luxury. They really only cost $1 to $1.50 a week to run, and you only need to turn them on in winter because in Sydney the towels dry pretty quick by themselves anyway. For a DIY option where you don't need an electrician, just install a plug-in type. You can use a plug-in timer and just check the location, as you don't want to put them anywhere near a bath or a shower. You need to keep it 2 meters away from a shower rose and 60 centimeters from a shower area or a bath area. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a good day. If you want any more information, just click on the link below and it'll take you to the website for a more detailed explanation of the benefits of heated towel rails.